False to you everyday Gaeilge weekly me lesson. You guys know I'm all about the Irish that you can actually use every day, every week if you're talking to native speakers, if you're going to a Kirkle Cora. So we're going to do some more little small talk, something that you could use in the office. No egg Kirkle Cora, at a Kirkle Cora, no machonin to if you live in the Gaeltacht, or if you know any Irish speakers whatsoever. So this one's super handy, and it's literally how to ask, have you got much on at the weekend? So something that could no such into a goni, something that you use all the time when you're chatting to people, especially towards the end of the week. So this is on will, moron, shul, a gut, egg on der shachtana. Now there's lots of little different parts here, but nothing really overly complicated when it comes to grammar. On will more in their shulad, egg on der shachtana. So first of all, we have on will, which can be pronounced as on will in Munster or your standard Irish, or if you're from Leinster, you might recognise on will. On will or on will, like a W again, BH is like a W in Connacht and Ulster. So on will moron, shul, moron is much, shul is happening. So do you have much happening? Do you have much going on? So this is very similar to shul, which is the verb to walk, but it's spelled different. There's an extra I in shul. So shul is happening with no I before the L. Agat is just to have. So this is to have, and we'll more in shul agat. Do you have much on? Is this part. And then egg on at the der shachtana weekend. So pretty straightforward. Shachten without the E is week, but when it comes together with dera, it's dera shachtana that adds an E, is statistical gendach. And while more in shulad like in dera shachtana is how I would say quickly in Goa, in Connacht dialect, or on vol more in shul agut, again dera shachtana. Again, you can pop this phrase into Abertaute E to hear this in any dialect of your choice. I always get asked, what about Leinster? Where's the Leinster dialect? We don't have a Leinster dialect in Irish. We have Munster, Ulster and Connacht. It is taught historically. We would have spoken a Connacht dialect. That's what's written in many textbooks. However, the standard Irish is what we learn in school often, and it's closest to Munster Irish. So that's where you go for your Leinster if you're from Leinster, and I'm from Leinster as well, so don't feel bad or feel left out. That's how it is. If you haven't popped your name on our Rusty to Fluent waitlist, then do. It's starting later on in the year, but people on the waitlist will get first dibs, and it teaches you basically like this how to be fluent in everyday Irish. So if you live in the Gaeltacht, if you want to go to Kirkle Cora, if you want to be just fluent because you love the language, if you'd like to be able to put it on your CV that you can speak Irish, then that is the waitlist for you. And if you're watching this on YouTube later and you're not subscribed to our newsletter, then this is where you get all these free lessons every week with some extras and downloadables and workbooks. So that's down below as well. Thank you again. See you next week. Slán go fóill, bye for now.